Morning, children. Now this is mixed fraction, which is the third type. First one is proper fraction, second is improper fraction, third one is mixed fraction. Now children, we will see what is mixed fraction. So one simple example, Kishore cut 2 cakes into 4 equal parts. He gave 6 pieces to Funny. So here Kishore is taking 2 cakes and each cake he is making it into 4 equal parts. And then, so how can we write 4 by 4? 4 by 4. Now, after making 2 cakes 4 equal parts, he want to give 6 pieces to Funny. That means one full cake and half of the remaining cake, second cake. So what is the fraction here? 4 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Total is 6 by 4. Children, here 4 by 4 can be written as 1. Okay, so what is the quotient for this? When we divide and see 4 in the divisor place, the numerator 4 is in the dividend place. So how many times? 1 time 4 after subtraction 0. So 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. If the same denominator and same numerator is there, the answer is, that is quotient is 1. So 1 2 by 4. So Funny took 1 2 by 4 part of cake. 1 2 by 4 is a mixed fraction because one whole number and a fraction both mixed together. So it is called as mixed fraction. When a whole number is combined with a proper fraction, we get a mixed fraction. Always this fraction will be a proper fraction only. A whole number and a proper fraction both together form a mixed fraction. Now children, we can express an improper fraction into mixed fraction and a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now one example, 5 by 3 is given. This is an improper fraction. So we can change this improper fraction 5 by 3 or any other number into mixed fraction. How? The number which is in denominator is taken as divisor and 5 which is in numerator is taken as dividend and divide. So 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now the answer which is in quotient place will be written as a whole number and the remainder is taken in the numerator place and the divisor is in the denominator place. Is it clear? Whole number is the number which is in quotient place, remainder is in the numerator place and divisor is in the denominator place. Okay, the same is written. So how can we write finally quotient as a whole number, remainder by divisor? This is the mixed fraction. So from improper we have changed into mixed. Now children, brain booster 8.2. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fractions. First one, 9 by 5. So this is an improper fraction. We will see the explanation. Now children, 9 by 5. So 9 is taken as dividend and 5 as divisor. Now 5 ones is 5. So after subtraction, 9 minus 5 is 4. So how to write this into a mixed fraction? This is a whole number and whatever is the remainder is taken as numerator. 5 as denominator. So for 9 by 5, it is 1 4 by 5. See here, for 9 by 5, it is 1 4 by 5. The second one is 13 by 4. 13 by 4 means 4 as divisor, 13 as dividend. Now 4 threes is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Now final answer is 3 1 by 4. 3 1 by 4. Third sum, 19 by 7. 19 by 7. So 7 as divisor, 19 as dividend. So 7 twos is 14. 19 minus 14 is 5. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 5. Now what is the answer? 2 5 by 7. 2 5 by 7. Children, the remaining sums and this 3 sums you practice well. Now children, we have learnt to convert improper fraction into mixed. Now we will see how to convert from mixed to improper. Now 2 1 by 3 is given. So 2 is a whole number, 1 is numerator, 3 is denominator. Now children, so first is whole number into denominator. So these two numbers should be multiplied and numerator should be added. Okay, see here, 2 into 3 plus 1 and denominator place will be again same number. So 2 threes is 6 plus 1 by 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 3 is the final answer. So for 2 1 by 3, what is the for 2 1 by 3 mixed fraction, we have 7 by 3. Now we will see the second bit. Convert the following mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 5 1 by 3 can be written as 5 into 3 plus 1 by 3. So it is 5 threes are 15 plus 1 is 16 by 3. 7 1 by 4, that is 7 into 4 plus 1. 7 fours are 28 plus 1, 29. 29 by 4. Now 4 4 by 7. 4 into 7 plus 4 by 7. 32 by 7. Children, do this 3 sums and also 3 remaining sums as homework and practice well. Thank you.